Did you know that after more than 50 years, humanity is finally preparing to return to the moon? But this time, with a mission far more ambitious? Artemis II is not just another spaceflight. It could change the future of human exploration forever. But what's really behind this mission? Why is it so important? And what secrets are people not talking about? Stay until the end, because the final fact might surprise you. If you're into space mysteries and advanced technology, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because here, you'll discover what no one else is telling you. Artemis II is part of the Artemis program created by NASA. Its goal is to send humans back to lunar orbit for the first time since the historic Apollo 17. But unlike older missions, Artemis II will not land on the moon. Instead, it will serve as a critical test. The mission will use the Orion spacecraft, launched by the Powerful Space Launch System, also known as SLS. Here's the interesting part. This will be Orion's first crewed flight, which means there are still significant risks involved. Artemis II will carry 4 astronauts, and this crew is already making history. Among them is Christina Koch, who will become the first woman to travel to the moon. Also on board is Victor Glover, the first Black astronaut to participate in a lunar mission. And there's more. A member of the Canadian Space Agency will also be part of the crew. This shows that Artemis II is not just an American mission, it's a global effort. Many people think the goal is simply to return to the moon, but that's not the full story. Artemis II is a test. It will evaluate life support systems, deep space navigation, long-distance communication, and human endurance beyond Earth's orbit. All of this is essential for Artemis III, the mission that aims to land on the moon. But there's something even bigger behind all of this. Mars. Yes, this mission is a direct step toward sending humans to the Red Planet. Unlike modern missions, Artemis II will take humans beyond low Earth orbit. This means much higher exposure to cosmic radiation. And that's not all. Technical failures could be fatal. There is no quick rescue. Any mistake could jeopardize the entire mission. During Apollo missions, like the famous Apollo 13, a small issue nearly turned into a disaster. Now, imagine that even farther from Earth. The technology behind Artemis II is incredible. The SLS rocket is considered the most powerful ever built. The Orion capsule can travel farther than any crewed spacecraft in history, and its safety systems are far more advanced than those used in past missions. But here's something surprising. Even with all this modern technology, many principles still come from the Apollo era. In other words, the past is still guiding the future. Now here are some facts that most people don't know. Artemis II will travel thousands of kilometers beyond the moon. The mission is expected to last about 10 days. The name, Artemis, comes from the Greek goddess, sister of Apollo. The spacecraft can reach speeds over 39,000 kilometers per hour. And this could become the most distant human mission from Earth ever conducted. And here's the most impressive part. This mission could redefine who leads space exploration in the coming decades. Artemis II is not just a mission. It's the beginning of a new space race. And maybe the first step toward making humanity a multiplanetary species. Now tell me, would you travel to the moon if you had the chance? Leave your answer in the comments. And if you enjoyed this kind of content, subscribe, like the video, and share it because the next one might be about the mission that takes humans to Mars.